Hi guys, welcome to our weekly Forex forecast channel. So today we continue our weekly forecast. This week will be the 18th of March till the 22nd of March 2019. So please pay attention. This week we have so much news. We have news in the pound, very important volatile news. We have also news in the Canadian, Australian, New Zealand, Euro, dollar, franc. So it's like pretty much everything. So this week is going to be very volatile, so please only choose one pair or two and try to wait for Thursday or Wednesday to trade. Don't just jump in so many things at the beginning of the week, okay? So start as usual with the dollar index. Last week was really good. We forecasted the dollar index to come down, and it did come down as we expected. The dollar index did find a support at this level. So here we have two options. We have the option first to continue going down, and I doubt this will happen because as you can see here, this is kind of a little bit oversold. It can continue going down, but most likely we're gonna go up a little bit. Then we're gonna continue down. Okay, so we will wait a little bit till it go up, then we'll sell it from a higher place. If you already have in a position, just wait. The euro index. So the euro did go up. Okay, we had a forecast to go up, then come down like that from last week. You can go back to our weekly Forex forecast. So this week, as you can see, the MACD, so here, this is really not a good place to buy. But I forecast we may go a little bit higher before we can come down. So forecast something like this. So I'm not really interested in the buy now. So I'm waiting for the sell. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for in the euro. If I get this, I enter the trade. If I don't, we don't enter the trade. That's easy. Okay, so the euro may go a little bit up first, then will come down. So we are interested in the down, not in the up. Okay, so here, so yeah, you can buy it, but not really recommended. Then wait for the sell from a higher place. This will be better. The pound, please don't trade pound this week. Just too risky. Okay, if you're gonna trade it, wait a drop, then buy it. Franc, we have banking news this week. If the Bank of Switzerland change the rate or just have minutes indicating changing the rate, then the franc index will change the uptrend. But if there is no any change, then we'll just maybe a little bit volatility with the banking news, then we'll continue coming down. So we will, with no change in the bank, then we expect a little bit up, then down. Japanese yen, last week we said this will go up, then will be come down from this area. At this level, as you can see, this color for moving average did change to yellow right there. So kind of consolidation. Maybe we'll do double top like that, then we'll come down. The MACD also, now we're just waiting to sell. Maybe we'll come down from here, or maybe have double top, you know, yeah, something like this here. Just a double top, then we'll come down. Okay, but we're not interested in buying now. The Bank of Japan last week did not change anything. We did not have much effect in the market, so just correction as we expected. For the JPY pairs, we expect maybe a further up a little bit, then coming down. So JPY pairs this week will be only for sale. Canadian, so the oil, I forecast the oil to go a little bit up, then crash. So pay attention. So the CAD goes a little bit with the oil, a little bit, not too much. Then here is given a sell like that, so we will wait. We can sell the CAD. Okay, CAD index sell, then buy this, then okay, sell it at the beginning. Maybe would be better because the MACD here is not a buy. Okay, MACD is given a sell, so it will be something like this, then we'll go up. Okay, you can wait the oil to come down and the CAD to come down. In the way up, you can buy it. Okay, this will be better. So you can wait a little bit to buy the CAD. Australian, so Australian, as you can see here, this is given a sell. And we have banking news. The bank may send a little bit down. See, this last week was really good forecast. So what can happen here? We can have another lower low. See this one? We can have something like that, a little bit lower. Then we'll go up. So you can either buy it or you can wait a little bit, then buy it. Okay? New Zealand, So last week was perfect. We expected to go up, then come down. That was perfect. That's what exactly happened from last week, just like that. Here the index is giving me a sell, and there's news in the New Zealand. There's a quarterly like news. So pay attention. The news is gonna have a effect for sure, because this news in the New Zealand will come only like every quarter, right? So this is coming down here. It's giving us a sell signal. The price below the 21, so it looks like coming down. I believe we will find a support at this area here, resistance, or this trend line. This red is a trend line, then we're gonna go up. So New Zealand first will be for sale, then will be for buy. USD JPY, we're only gonna sell it. There is no buy at all. Okay, so we're gonna sell it from this level 111.60, 112. Even if it go up, it's gonna go like 112.40, 112.50 maximum. But we're only selling USD JPY, no buy. Pound yen, please avoid the pound yen. Just too much news is not worth it. Okay, you're not gonna be a millionaire from one trade, and but there's a chance it's gonna wipe out your account. So just don't trade the pound yen. Wait after the Brexit is done. Then next week we're gonna see where we are. Then we're gonna sell it. Okay, because we want to sell it. So if it goes to 152, we're gonna, and we have a nice coming down, we're gonna sell it. Like, we'll be solid. But now we don't know what's gonna happen. It may go around to 154, it may go down to 140. Okay, if you have a news and you have a continuous nice trend and you go in with a small stop loss like 50-60 bips, that's fine. But I can't give you a forecast now because I don't know for sure the news. For the pound dollar, I want to buy it. For the pound yen, I want to sell it. So I have to be sure where are we. Okay, euro. The euro was really good last week. This is the forecast. I told you can wait for a double bottom or you can buy. It did continue up really nice. So because we forecast the dollar index to go up then come down, then the euro will be exactly the opposite. So the euro we expect to come down then go up. So this is the level we're gonna focus to buy on. USD franc, we expect it to come down. This was perfect sell last week. Then this week, as you can see here, this is going up. Okay, the MACD here either go up, continue. This is not good place to sell. Also, there is no a buy yet. We have a banking news, so I would prefer to sell it from this level or from 1.000. Okay, I would prefer to sell from the top here. This resistance at 1.125 has been verified like 3 times, and this is good. The pound dollar, wait a drop, then we're gonna buy it again from 1.29 area on the way up. Of course, don't trade the news. Okay, this is really bad if you go get stuck in bad news or something. So wait, we get a nice drop, then we're gonna buy it. USD CAD last week, I've told you go buy it on your own risk. That was really good buy, like was beautiful. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys, many of you made good money in this one. Many of you commented me or text me that we got into the trade. Okay, so what I expect now, I expect to go up a little bit, not exactly 1.34. We may just to get 1.33, 70, 60, 50, but just a little bit. But pay attention, the price now is above the 21, so this is not good sell yet. We have to wait till this price come below the 21, like that here. So the candles has to be under the black line, the 21 moving average. You can't buy it as long as the candle is above. Sorry, you can't sell it. You have to wait till the price comes down. Australian, we have banking news, we have the minutes. So I would not buy from 70.80. This is high price. I will wait till we come down to 70.40 or even 70. Okay, then we'll buy it. Would I sell it from here? No, don't sell the Australian yet, even if the banking news comes down, because the price range were really low. So we want to only buy in this area from 0.68 to 0.71. We're only buying. There is no sell. Even if this looks a sell, like for me, this is a kind of starting a sell here. Once the price is below the 21, it's for sure a sell. And the MACD is giving you kind of, okay, I can go down. But I'm not interested in this sell. We're going to only take the buy. Euro Australian, because we forecast the Euro index to go a little bit up then down, the Australian to come down then up, then the Euro Australian will be going up then down, as we expect, like that. So from 1.61 we'll be interested to sell it. Euro yen, so we will sell the euro yen from 126.50. Then we will target like 124.60. Okay. Canadian yen, last week I said buy it from here, guys. That's 100 bips or so. That was beautiful, right? Pretty much all of you guys, if you got in, you made profit. So watch out here. We still have, this is a good sell. We may get another top or just come down, but anyway, we're gonna sell it from 84 area. Okay, then target 82.80. Australia, New Zealand, I think this will be a good buy. Okay, this MACD confirm its sell. The price is above 21. The colorful moving average is above the black. This is really good buy. Even if it go down, it's not gonna go down much. So this is really good buy, guys. You know, you have to buy this one on your own risk. Euro New Zealand, we will prefer to wait, not buy now. We have a buy signal. Okay, last week I told you buy. If you bought and you made profit, that's good. But now I would say wait, don't buy it. Wait till it go to 1.67. Okay, from there we're gonna sell it to 1.65, make 200 pips. So just don't jump at the middle here, because there is so much news in the German and manufacturing and news and all that, and New Zealand bank. So we want to get a really good up or down area. So because we want to sell it, not to buy it now, then we're gonna wait the 1.67. Once it get in this area, you know, 20 pips below, 20 pips above in this area, then we will sell it. EuroCAD, so the EuroCAD we're gonna sell from 1.5 150. Okay, because we said the euro's going up and the euro's going up and the oil is coming down, so we forecast this to go up a little bit first. Okay, then we'll come down. So we'll be interested to sell it from a higher place. We're not interested to buy it. However, I forecast it will go up a little bit. See, this is up. It's not even a bad buy. If you want to jump in, it's your choice, but I would prefer to sell it from a higher place. New Zealand, last week I've told you buy it. That was really good. You know, you guys who follow me every week will know what I'm talking about. So New Zealand, we can sell it at the beginning of the week, then we can buy it here. So I gave you two ranges: 6.875, 6.750, 120 pips range. Then you can buy it from this area and you can sell it from here. The MACD is given a sell now, okay, not a buy. This is a sell. Watch out, there is banking news, so don't put too many trades in New Zealand. Gold, so gold kind of confused a little bit. It goes with the dollar index and the stock. So we would like to see something a rally like to 1332, then we sell it from there. Last week I said buy from 1295. It did make some profit. Japan stock, then I believe it will come down from a higher place. USD crude, last week I told you buy it from 55. It did make 400 bips to almost 58.92. That was perfect. In this area you can either sell with a little bit of risk, or you wait to reach 59.28 and then sell it from there. Okay, as you can see here, the 21 moving average did go too far from the 50, and this usually when it happens it will come down for correction or reversal. We expect the oil to range from 56 57 area to 62 in the coming 2 weeks. Also USA China deal, if we get any news, this may rally the oil a little bit to 62 63. This is not a buy at all. Don't buy oil this coming week. We'll be looking for a sell either from current price or from 60 or so. New Zealand Canadian, last week we have given a signal, was not too bad. We've made some good profit in it. This week we either come down a little bit, then go up, then come down, or we go up, then come down. But anyway, we'll be interested. However, we'll be interested to sell from 9 to 50. Okay, this is here. This is not a perfect setup. Wait, I believe we're gonna run up a little bit first because the oil is coming down. So the Canadian is gonna have weakness, but also the New Zealand at the beginning of the week is gonna have weakness. So I would be interested only to sell it from 90 to 50. Okay, if you don't get this high price, just don't get in. Okay guys, that was it for the week. I tried not to make it so long. It's about 15 minutes now. Please, if you like the video, first hit the like button. If you forgot to subscribe to our channel so you continue getting our weekly Forex forecast. And also we uploaded educational video about strategy, so please watch this. And thank you very much guys for your support. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Thank you and have a great week.